This video is a third video about Trio series, and this one is about Trio 100. If you don't know the difference between series like Trio, Duo and Solo, we have a video explaining just that, so please check it out. Trio 100 was initially our biggest model, but since we had the feedback from our markets that has to be bigger, now it's number 3 in our lineup, and it's 97 square meters usable area, or 1047 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms. You can skip one upstairs to make a room for open ceiling. The standard version does not have a dormer, and the entrance is through the gable wall, but it's very easy to add a dormer and make the entrance through dormer. So it's up to you. Trio 100 is 10 meters long, and it can be adjusted lengthwise. Of course, if you need much larger model, please see our other videos about Trio 120 and Trio 150. For a standard family of 4, I believe this is the most efficient model, covering all the needs of the standard family. As all the other models, the floor plans can be easily customized. Interior layouts, you can't change the exterior walls, but interior walls are non-load bearing, and you can really play around with them to customize. And of course you can add dormers, you can add skylights, terraces. Actually, I'm living in Trio 100 myself, and I really think it's the most functional model. If to compare with Trio 75, which has almost the same functionality, the biggest difference is in the lobby area. When you enter the house in Trio 75, it's really compact. Just imagine you have some friends over and 5 people are entering house at once, and they all want to take their coat off. It's not so easy in Trio 75. In Trio 100, there's plenty of room. And the entrance of the house, well, that's the first thing you see when you enter the house. The first functionality you actually use in the house, to put away your shoes and coat. You've got to have room for that. One tip I would like to give you, that if you want to customize the outside, choosing colors costs you nothing extra. So it's the same price whether you have a chocolate brown roof or you have cherry red roof. It's the same price, but the appearance of the house is, of course, totally different. Just a very cheap way or free way to customize your home to make it personal, your own. It doesn't have to look gray like everybody else's. Play around with colors.